I've always been in love with the automobile. Even when I played Monopoly, I always picked the car character as opposed to the ship or anything else. I was that kid who used to run downstairs in the morning to go check the oil and the coolant level in my parents' cars, or go outside and wash the cars, you know. My dad ended up buying me an engine kit. I believe I was about 7 to 8. Together, we read the instructions and we converted this bicycle to a gasoline-powered vehicle. We cut it down, took it to a welder. He added a little bit more pipe on there. He sprayed it back up so we could actually mount that engine in there. It was a fun little project, and that just got me hooked. I remember one of the things I loved doing was guessing cars by their taillights. Me and my brother used to play this game, and we could guess, what car is this? You know, oh, that's a BMW 5 Series. That's a Mercedes C-Class. I had good teachers who encouraged me to go into the maths and sciences. You know, it was a school where I could actually express myself. It was one that was all not just about the books, but also about using your hands to get stuff done. I love doing stuff with my hands, you know. I love building things. I love imagining how things could get better. So that's how I knew engineering was it for me. Funny enough, my parents thought I was going to go to college to go to school for business. They were shocked when they found out I was going for engineering. To really get into engineering, you need to take your math and your STEM classes very seriously. School is essential. I think you need to put your best foot forward. Show how passionate you are. Work hard. Express how this is your passion. My direct team is manufacturing engineering. People on my team are engineers or they're project managers. My team looks at how we can design this equipment to give us that competitive edge. The technicians on my team, they go to trade schools. We can't have engineers do all the work. We get insights from the technicians on how to design equipment to make the job easier for them, to ensure as a whole we're successful. The technicians play a very crucial part in getting the vehicle done. From the operator to the technician to even the cleaners, we all have a role to play, and we treat everybody with respect, and everybody's opinion matters. We've taken various steps in how we design this assembly plant to be very conscious of the environment. If a company like Lucid takes the lead in a sustainable future, I think companies who do business with us will take note and they'll adopt the same exact thing. We need to take better care of this world. Electric vehicles are going to be the future. Nobody else is doing what we're trying to do here or what we're doing here. It's revolutionary. At the end of the day, we need to save this environment. You know, the more electric cars we can get out there, the safer it'll be for my kids and their kids. Don't give up. I think the future is bright. This is just the beginning.